California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today we are doing a bit of like a glittery glam neutral type of look. I don't really know how to explain it. Also look at how cute my bun is. Isn't it so cute? It's like all curly and like it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. But a disclaimer, I have a Regina on my face. We don't like her, but we're gonna call her Regina. I need to work on getting her away, but so we're gonna put makeup on. So this is a like neutral glittery glam pinky. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just kind of like a glam look. So I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started, babies. Okay, so for my palette today, I'm using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, which looks like this. I haven't used this palette in a really long time, which is kind of why I'm going in with it. So I'm going to take a Morphe M330, and I'm going to go in with this warmish / cool tone shade right here. I'm not exactly sure how to get the look that I'm trying to create, just because of the shade of crease and outer corner that it is. Please tell me if you've listened to Ariana's new album. I'm not sure when this video is going up, probably in about a week. So by the time this goes up, her album will be out for a little while, about a week or so. But let me know how you feel about her getting a Grammy for Sweetener and all the tea on Cardi. I don't know. I think that all of the artists who were in the running for the best rap album were really good. I know Cardi worked really hard, but it would have been really cool to see Mac get it. I feel like he deserved it a lot, but that's not me saying that Cardi didn't deserve it, but I just think it would have been really nice in his honor. Okay, now I'm going in with this darker brown shade right here and a bit more of a more condensed crease brush, and I'm just gonna put this on the very outer corner and into the crease a tiny bit. School. Today I didn't have school because it was like literally the whole, like everywhere is just covered in ice. Like trees, house, road, grass, everything is just covered in ice. And I've been hearing some really creepy noises from when the ice has been melting, and it's like scaring the crap out of me, honestly. But you know, it's okay. If you heard that, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it's been freaking me out all freaking day. I mean, I've been kind of stressed out, but it's probably okay. Oh, this is such Alright, so this is basically all I'm doing. So I'm just going to go in with this glitter. This is Princess Peach by Glitter My World. I'm going to apply this with the NYX glitter primer, and then I will be back. Alrighty, so for bronzer, I'm using my e.l.f. bronzing palette, and I'm just mixing a bunch of shades together. I'm gonna tap it off and bronze, obviously. I love bronzers so much. Oh my gosh, this song is amazing, guys. Do you guys ever just read something that someone like says, or something that someone tells you, and you're just like, you're so dumb? Like, I'm not trying to be mean, but like, that was so dumb to even say. And I'm just kind of like, what was even the point in you saying that? Like, I don't understand people, you know? I don't get it. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm using my Becca Champagne Pop and my Ofra Glazed Donut. This one's too dark, this one's too light. We're just gonna mix them together. Plus, I need to get more use out of my Champagne Pop, just because I don't use it that much, just because it is too dark, because it's like super gold and I'm like super freaking pale. Apply that to my cheekbones, and of course that pimple had to be like right where my highlighter goes, which is really freaking annoying, but you know, I don't even know what to do about it. Okay, this is the final look. I think it looks amazing. I love it personally, especially my hair. Like, I'm like, oh, bougie, I don't even know. But for lashes, I used LA Colors Diva. Of course, I use these all the time. And then for lips, I did ColourPop 951 on the outside, and then on the center, I used Anastasia Naked Liquid Lipstick. So this is the completed look. Very glowy. I love the eyes, like they're very beautiful. I just love this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.